Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to set up your match guide on your Facebook dating. Maybe you wanted to set up a match guide on your Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can set up your match guide on Facebook dating. Check the video description, I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then from here, select this heart button and then you'll be directed into this Facebook profile. And then in here, simply tap on this matches. And then in here, you will see here this icon. Simply tap on this icon. And then here, as you can see, your match guide. So now you have to set up your match guide. To set it up, simply answer these questions. For example, the best way to start chatting with me is to, and then select an answer. For example, keep it clean. And also, the best way to keep chatting with me is to give me a compliment. And so on. And then in here, you have to take note that this is only visible to your matches. Simply tap on the Save button at the upper right corner of your screen to save your match guide. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can set up match guide on your Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can set up guides for your match on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.